What's that?
I can't see.
Kita mo. Kita mo.
Getting dressed.
How about the change clothes?
Dana, change clothes.
How about this? What's that? Kita mo.
The breakfast. Dana's eating breakfast.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh! What? Oh!
What's the monkey doing?
Where?
Tignan mo. Ito mo.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? What's the monkey doing?
Playing the clothes.
What you call this one?
Yay! Overall, jumper.
Me.
What is that?
Oh.
Oh!
What's the sound?
The clay! The clay shouting.
What's that? What's that?
Where?
Ito mo.
This one? It's a shirt.
What's called this one?
Umbrella.
What's called this one?
Raining.
What's this?
Jacket.